What's up, guys? I got another review for you. It's the Gemini Jets, America West Airlines Airbus A319, and as you can see here, it's got its very own special box. It reminds me of the Allegiant Air MD-82 because it has a special box too. Awesome model. I love it. I just got back from my hobby shop and I never really noticed it on the shelf, but yeah, this is a really sweet model. And it doesn't, this is weird, it doesn't say all the facts about the aircraft. It's just the America West logo, but I don't care. I like it. It's probably one of my favorite models. So let's just get to the aircraft. Oh, sweet. Oh, you guys gotta see this. It's awesome. I love the color. Great detail. The registration number is N814AW. It's got the Gemini Jets logo. That's, I know you can't see that because this darn thing doesn't focus. The Gemini Jets logo, the Jets is like chrome silver, and it's just got the regular blue Gemini logo. Very happy with this aircraft. I recommend this. It has the highly detailed landing gear. This is a really cool aircraft. It's got the wing detail and emergency exit. I'm not sure. I think it just shows you which way to go if you get in like a plane crash or something. I don't know. This is a great model. I like the green color they use. It's really sweet. And this is just sweet. It's got a highly detailed door. Never really noticed that on my aircraft. Just ignore my parents for being idiots right now. It's a very sweet aircraft. Go out and buy it if you can. I'm not really sure if it's rare or expensive for regular retail, but I got this at my local hobby shop for $29.95, and not really sure if that's a great price because I've never seen it. but I don't know. It's like a normal Gemini aircraft for about like 25 to 30 bucks, depending on what type of aircraft or airline. It could be 45 maybe. I don't know, but this is a sweet aircraft. Just go out and get it if you can. God, I'm so lucky. That's pretty much it. There's the cargo doors. Can't really see them. And it's got this red band going around the plane. Right there. It reminds me of US Airways or AirTran. I don't know. I like the colors, the detail, you name it. So, see you folks. Rate, comment, and subscribe.